phrase is unveiled, by a neck, explained. Hello dear viewers. Today, we're going to dive into a popular English phrase, by a neck. Ever wondered where it came from and what it means? Stick around and you'll find out. The phrase, by a neck, originally comes from horse racing. In a race, if one horse wins just ahead of the horse behind it, by the length of its neck, it's said to have won, by a neck. So, when you hear this term, visualize two horses racing closely, with one just slightly ahead of the other. In everyday English, we often use by a neck to describe narrowly winning or beating someone in any competition, not just horse racing. For example, if two students were competing for the top grade and one just barely scored higher, you could say they won by a neck. It's all about highlighting the slim margin of victory. Let's go over some examples to see how by a neck is used in sentences. 1. In the last election, the mayor won by a neck. 2. I managed to finish my project just in time, by a neck. 3. The two companies were competing for the contract, but Company A got it by a neck. Each of these sentences emphasizes a narrow or close victory, and that's the essence of the phrase. There are several other phrases in English that convey a similar idea. By a hair's breadth. This means by a very small margin. It paints the picture of something being as thin as a strand of hair. By a whisker. Again, this refers to a very narrow margin, imagining something as fine as a whisker. By a nose. This is another horse racing term. Just like by a neck, it implies winning by a slight lead. All these phrases emphasize small differences or margins. So there you have it. By a neck is a phrase rich in history and often used to convey a close victory or narrow escape. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use this phrase confidently. Remember, language is fun and full of colorful expressions. Keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.